Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will understand how you can customize the footer of your WordPress website. So let's say if you have recently created your WordPress website using any theme like Extra or WP, Ocean, or maybe Hello Elementor, or the by default themes like 2025 or 2024, then in that case, the footer comes by default with the theme or with the template that you have installed. So in my case, as you can see on my screen right now, I have this footer. Let's say I want to customize it or I want to change some options. So what I need to do is I need to simply log into my WordPress dashboard. Once I logged in, I need to just click on this customize option. Just click on this customize option. And once you click on the customize option, on the left hand side you will see multiple option, and in that option one of the option will be footer builder. Right now I am using the Extra theme, so the options order are this, but if you are using any other theme then the order of the options may differ. So not a problem, you just need to locate the footer builder, click on this, and once you click on footer builder, you can see I have scrolled down all the way to the footer, and this is my main footer. You can see the pencil icons here and here, right? There are pencil icon means then you can edit those widgets. So these are called widgets. So this is my complete the footer area. Now if I want to, let's say, change the widget, if I want to change this address, so I will just click on this pencil icon, and from here once it shows any welcome message, then click on got it. And if I need to change it, you can see as soon as I click on this pencil icon, I can see the text. And now if I want to change it, let's say this is not my address, so I just need to change this. So I will just remove this. I will not touch the HTML tag. This is HTML tag, and I will say this is my new address, right? So you can simply customize the text like this. If you want to change this navigation, you can simply click on this pencil icon, and if you scroll down here, you can see the alignment. Right now it is inline. If you click on stack, so it will be one